Hello friends, this video is just a continuation from the last video, the ride home from Fairlie Moor. What you have to watch about these wee roads is all the muck from the tractors and farm equipment. More coos everywhere. And we go from wide road to narrow road. Oh boy, that was a bumpy that. I've just remembered this bike's got a couple of different suspension modes. I'm currently in the firmest mode because it feels the sportiest. But maybe for roads like this I should put it into the softer one. But I'm not going to do it when I'm riding because I'll probably crash. This has just been a short loop, not far away from my house. And it's made me realise that I take a lot of these roads for granted. I don't really explore them as much as I should. I just think, oh, it's Ayrshire, what it's about. Well, blooming good roads, that's what it's about. Granted, this probably wouldn't be ideal for a sports bike, but this is the kind of riding I like. These back roads, a bit of exploring, not going too quick. I think that's why I've enjoyed this one so much. It's one way. Right, where am I? Oh, this is a lovely wee building. Look at that, it's not a building, it's just a wee... I don't know where I am, I don't know where I am, no clue. Can't be that far away from home. But honestly, I've got no clue. still in North Ayrshire because we've got purple wheelie bins. We don't get purple wheelie bins in East Ayrshire. I've been wondering if most of the riding I'm going to be doing and I enjoy is riding like this. I was wondering if a CB500X would be sufficient for me, or if I would find it a wee bit underpowered. I don't know. So if any CB500X owners are watching this, if you could drop me a wee line. Oh, corner junction even see us, so I spend too much time talking. Aye, so if you're watching and you've got a CB500X, let me know what you think. How do you find the power? Are you looking for a wee bit more, or do you find it adequate? I came off the seat there. This is 900, this Tracer, and there's a lot of power and a lot of torque, which I really like, but I don't know if it's overkill. Because I said before, I'd also quite like to have the option to go on some fire roads and stuff like that, which I don't think this bike could really take too well to. It would do it, but it's not really its kind of comfort zone, if you like. So I don't know, maybe a CB500X. I also fancy, which I've seen at a fairly decent price, the Triumph Tiger 800. Now not the 850, the 800. So it would be the used bike, probably the 800 XRX. I've seen a few then at a fairly decent price, but so it's a used bike, probably about between 5 and 10 years old, so I don't know. Once again, thanks very much for watching. As always, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheerio!